Hi guys, it's me again, Mads Vlog, and welcome back to my channel. At kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe at click mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga latest videos na aking ipapalabas. Today's video, isa na naman pong online booking ang ating gagawin na tutorial, kung saan alam ko makakatulong ito sa mga kapwa ko OFW dito sa Hong Kong, since we are all advised to change our old IDs into new smart IDs. Ang tanging kailangan lang po natin is internet connection, smartphone, and yung ating Hong Kong ID. So, let's start. If you are going to use your phone to do the online booking, you use your browser and set it in desktop mode. So, kailangan mong mag-booking sa browser mo. At kailangan naka-desktop mode yung iyong browser para makuha mo. Pero ang using laptop and browser in desktop mode are all similar. So, we go at Google. Then, we search Smart ID. You see, as you can see from here, they have already this Smart ID online application. So, we just need to click that one because I made an appointment for my friend earlier already. So, that's why I have this search result on my search bar already. Online appointment booking for identity cards application. So this is under www.immigration.gov.hk. Please select one of the following services. So we will press this one. Territory-wide identity card replacement exercise. Smart ID card replacement. Online application booking for replacement of identity cards. So we will click this one. Online appointment booking. So, we are here on the online booking homepage already. So, we need to click this Make Appointment. They have this declaration here. You just tick this one. I have read and agreed the above privacy policy. Check and continue. Part 1, it is the applicant's information. So from here, you need to enter your Hong Kong ID card. Then your date of birth. Make sure if you're going to do the online booking, it is scheduled for your year of birth already. Kasi meron silang mga scheduled date for certain birth year. Type of booking, individual. This one, you're going to have your PIN. Personalized 4-digit numbers as your inquiry code. Kailangan yung i-enter nyo ditong number, kabisado nyo, huwag nyo kakalimutan. Kasi pag nag-inquire kayo nyo ng inyong booking, kailangan niya ng system na yan yung i-enter mong code para ma-verify nila yung application mo. O kaya, makakapag-update ka sa iyong online application. So, gagawa tayo ng personal 4-digit number. So, kailangan yan, importante, ma-recall nyo yan. Huwag nyong kalimutan yan. Inquiry code. Importante po yan. So from here, nasa step 2 na tayo, select office. So you need to select the nearest immigration office nearest to your location. So, yan, makikita nyo rito kung saan yung nearest na immigration center sa inyong mga location. At this one, makikita nyo yung mga earliest date kung saan available pa. Nandito tayo sa step 3. So, pinili natin yung September 15 at pipili din tayo ng oras kung saan available tayo or kaya natin pumunta. Select natin ang 10:15. So, nandito na tayo sa step 4, confirmation. Then, i-check nyo lang dyan yung details. So, nandito yung appointment date and time, kung saang office tayo magre-report. Then, confirm. So, eto na. Nandyan na yung booking natin. Okay na yung booking natin. So, i-screenshot ito para sa iyong transaction QR code or yung reference number. I-save mo yan kasi pagpunta mo sa immigration, yan lang i-present mo. And to save your time, meron din sila ditong prefilling the application form para hindi ka na mag-fill up doon ng form. So, pwede kang mag-prefilling. So, start natin. Mag-prefilling na lang tayo para pagpunta na tayo doon, less time and less hassle na sa atin, dire-diretso yung process natin. So, nandito makikita mo to yung kulay blue, i-click mo lang dyan para mag-prefill ka. Ayan. Prefill form step 3, step number 3. So, nationality. Select mo kung anong nationality ka. Profession. Domestic helper. Residential address in Hong Kong. Ito is medyo complicated siya, yung standard. So, ang ginamit ko nung nag-booking ako ng kaibigan ko is other address. So, nandito lang siya, address line 1. Then, pag na-fill up mo yan, i-continue mo lang siya. Business address not applicable kasi hindi naman tayo business. Educational level. Marital status. Particular of spouse, kailangan mong ilagay dyan kung married ka. So, nandito na tayo. I-click lang natin yan. Then, I understand. Continue. So, nandito na makikita mo yung summary ng inyong pre-fill up dito. So, i-double check nyo lang kung tama yung mga details na inyong in-encode. If you are sure that those information are correct, you just confirm. You see from here, acknowledgement. Ayan yung transaction date and time. Kung kailan ka nag-book at anong oras. Ito yung transaction reference number. Mahalaga ito kasi pag nagpunta ka sa immigration, baka kunin yan sa'yo. So, pwede mo na rin yang i-screenshot or i-print. Then, complete. Okay na. Tapos na yung online booking natin. So, ganun lamang kadali guys. Sana may natutunan na naman kayo sa aking tutorial ngayon. At kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito at alam mo yung mga kaibigan mo nangangailangan na ganitong tutorial, i-share mo na rin sa kanila at comment ka na rin sa baba kung meron kang mga suggestions or additional informations na gusto mong idagdag sa aking video. Don't forget na rin to subscribe to my channel. At hanggang sa muli, Mads Vlog, keep safe and God bless.